Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. This is So and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a 3D dotting design which I have already done on my focus finger, so I'm gonna do on this one. If you remember last time I have showed you how to do chrome on your nails. So this is the chrome which I have done last week, and then today I'm gonna show you 3D dotting design on my nails. If you haven't checked out my last video, please click here somewhere. You can see the I button and you can get the video there. So after watching this video, you can go there and watch it. So let's get started with 3D dotting design. So I'm using this dotting tool to do the 3D design, and here I have some paints over here. So first I'm starting with this light color to make dots. So I have done the chrome, I have put the top coat on it, and then I am putting the dots on the design. Super easy and it looks very good, very elegant. It looks just amazing. So that's the first layer of the dots. I have done it here. Now I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds. There you go. I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds now. This is done, the first layering. Dot is cured, and again I'll put the top coat on it to make a layer like this, and I'll cure it once again for 30 seconds. So we are back with the first phase, and now second layer of the dots. I'll take some more gel polish over here, it's not enough. The design, I take it and overlapping the design, I'll put another one more layer. So I'm taking off-white, baby pink, and glitter color, silver glitter. So you can take any color of your choice depending on the base color, and you can do it. It looks simply amazing. Super easy. Looks super nice. It's just random dots, you don't have to plan for it, just the random dots. So this is the second layer. I'll cure it and I'll put another top coat on it. This is the second layer done. Another second layer top coat on top of it, which will keep the separation between the different color dots and make a layer between them. Here you go, another 30 seconds cure. As the second layer done, I'm gonna put the last layer of this nice shimmery color, which will look like a different dotting coat on it, so it can go randomly anywhere. And here you can see now it looks super good. I'll just cure it for quickly. Okay, so this is out from the LED lamp, and now I have to give the final top coat. Before giving the top coat, I'm feeling like making the bobby design with this glitter color. on my rest of the nails as well. So I'll quickly, sorry, take the bigger side, sorry, take the smaller side, and we prefer to put some random dots. Actually, I'm very much obsessed with this bobby design, bobby print. So I always feel like making it. So I thought, why not here? Don't take excess ever. This. So I'll quickly cure this and then I'll put the top coat. This is how it is looking. So final, I'm left with giving that final top coat on each and every nails to secure my design for longer time. This is mirror chrome powder which I have put in last week, and I'm just putting dots and 3D dots to make it to look nicer and much party type nails. Though I'm not allowed to do party at this quarantine time, but New Zealand is much better position, so we are at least allowed to go out and see our friends. So I thought, why not to give some more extra nicer look to my nails. So that's what I decided to do. So that's the final cure and I will be done. This is how it looks like finally, and this is how I made my 3D art with my dotting tool. This looks absolutely amazing, and I put some bobby prints on rest of my nails to complement it, and it looks absolutely amazing. I completely loved it. So final thing, I'm gonna put some cuticle oil to pamper my cuticle, and I am done. There we go. Yeah, it's absolutely done. This is my beautiful nails looks like with 3D art and the normal bobby prints. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like the video. Don't hesitate to like the video when you like the things shown on the video, and also please share with your friends so that your friends also can see it. And if you watched it, please subscribe the channel too for more videos like this, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. So hopefully you are all keeping well, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.